Hey guys, what's up? So I have been installing Crossfire most of the day. I say most of the day because when I got to the firmware part, that's where everything got me. So if you do Crossfire, you plug that module in your radio and you don't go in and do the radio mod, you made a big mistake. I can promise you that. So when I come down to the failsafe part, that's where I figured all this out, and I banged my head against the wall. So now my brain is fried and I'm ready to send this thing. I've already tried my failsafe in the house. Everything worked. I got it on 250 milliwatts. I got it on 915 megahertz, which there's a way of changing that also. Thank you, Squishy. So let's send Crossfire.
Yo, I'm getting ready to put y'all up on something, man. Yo, when you see something ill, you know what I mean? That's woke. Anything ill you see is woke. Have me with big six at the curb, that's woke. Okay. Especially if you got the fully equipped kid on it, it's woke. Like, you know what I mean? Like, yo, I had this bad chick uptown, she was woke. Had me messed up in the head, I mean. Bought the chick diamonds and pearls, I mean. Should've seen the ice shining on the wrist. Now money ain't the problem, see my dough is like. Pull out my bankroll on y'all dudes like. Lost the blue strip and 2/10 like. Money wanna peep my blueprints, I'm like. Had to hit the brake on y'all brothers like. Brothers getting bagged on my block like. Coming home within a half an hour like. Fun like they had the manpower like. More or less, more so I rip your torso, I live the fast life. Come through in the pour slow like whoa. My people like dough, like dro, nitro, my flow, nice clothes like whoa. Ease pain with like whoa. Now I'm Doc Strange in the range like whoa. 100 miles an hour switching lanes like whoa. Plus I'm getting from the chick like whoa. Fingernail brother 8 like whoa. Team floors, 10 chicks like whoa. 9-9 Jag Benz coupe like whoa. You keep them cheese lines on your block like whoa. Through your window money like whoa. Love to see me do this, sonny, like whoa. Brothers put me through this, sonny, like whoa. So I'ma go toe to toe, blow for blow like whoa. And rip your torso, I live the fast life. Come through in the pour slow like whoa. My people like dough, like tro, nitro, my flow, nice clothes like whoa. Yo, we back it, then flip it like whoa. Cars we jack it, then strip it like whoa. Fully equipped it, front to back like whoa. Spitting on fiends that come for crack like whoa. Asking for shorts, now baby that's whoa. Half on this quad, now baby that's whoa. Flow so properly, you'll see I'm whoa. Ain't no stopping me, I'm deep like whoa. Joints be popping, B, we creep like whoa. Hear my name in these streets like whoa. Must I pound the concrete like whoa. Feel his rich ass at the feet like whoa. Your man ain't whoa. The judge ain't whoa. COs ain't whoa. POs ain't whoa. Play yourself, I get the G.I. Joe. D.I.C. K-Riders ain't whoa. I rip your torso and live the fast life. Come through in the pour slow like whoa. My people like dough, like dro, nitro, my flow, nice clothes like whoa. Brothers getting money in VA is whoa. Honey's looking right in ATL is whoa. Brothers laying low in Chi-Town is whoa. Brothers getting money in New Orleans whoa. Boston and Jersey, my people is whoa. Florida people, Philly, that's is whoa. My New York people, hold me down like whoa. The whole bad boy, hold me down like whoa. NCFC, hold me down like whoa. My man PD, hold me down like whoa. My man B.I., hold me down like whoa.
Oh, Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let everyone to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Man, this is the gift that has been given to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let everyone to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Man, oh,
There you have it. That's what we're flying. The exact same quad, exact same battery, pilot, Crossfire. So yes, I have experienced Crossfire now. And sorry, my nose is running, but it's cold out here. I see the deer down there too. I wish I had another pack with me. Dang, nabbit. We go down there and capture something. Of course, the GoPro won't record in the dark, so yeah. Fucking Crossfire's legit. So far, I'm happy with it. I feel the difference when I go over to my house and get down in between the trailers where I'm standing over here. And that's the first trailer, so I'm down behind that. And I can feel the world of difference in the sticks. So everybody that says Crossfire doesn't make a difference, I have felt the difference. You know, I don't talk crap. You know, I don't ride no dicks. Well, I have been here lately, so.